This presentation is devoted to scientific methods. First, let's figure out what a scientific method is. It can be defined as a process of objectively establishing facts through testing and experimentation. The group of scientific methods can be divided into two large categories. First being empirical, the second is being non-empirical. The empirical methods imply that you have data for conducting research. Non-empirical methods imply that you do not have any data for conducting research. And usually empirical method comes with this classical cycle of research where you make an observation, then research, hypothesis, etc., etc. An example could be that, for example, you might wake up in the morning and see that you do not have your phone with you. That would be an observation. Then you would make research by, for example, by looking around and seeing that, I don't know, there is your bag somewhere, you notice it, that would be research. Then you would make a hypothesis that your phone might be in it, and then you would go and check whether your phone is there or not, and that would be the test and experiment. The state of analyzing data and report conclusion might be considered as optional. So when it comes to non-empirical methods, as I have said, it implies that that these studies are mostly theoretical because you do not have any data. However, it is to be said that usually theoretical research later on becomes an empirical research. For example, you might build a theory, then you might go and collect data and then kind of prove the theory. But there is such a thing as kind of research with no data. There could be, we could also think about different, some other methods, like modeling method, where you build a model and then test it out, and then interview and survey methods that also imply that you do not have any prior data, and content analysis method. However, these methods should also be included into the empirical methods, because one way or another they will fit somewhere in this cycle. For example, the modeling method can be easily the modeling method could be easily fit into the testing and experimentation phase. The interview and survey methods could probably be an observation stage, and etc. and etc. On this, I'm going to finish the presentation. Thank you for your attention.